Okay, I will show you how to adjust the pricing and other attributes of your products. So scroll down here until you see products and click all products. And then let's scroll down to one of the stamps, because they're all kind of set up the same way. And you can see here they range in price from $3.50 to $7. So let's click on edit for this Stagecoach one, for example. Then you got to scroll past all this, come down here. In this area right here, this is what you want, is this product data area. So click this little pull down right here. And then come down here to, let's see, to variations. And then you'll see the different variations: mounted, unmounted, with cushion, unmounted. So the way to change the product for this version of it is you select this little pull down next to here, scroll down, and then right here you can change the price of it. And then when you're done, you click Save Changes. And if you want to adjust more than one price, you can as well, like this. And scroll down. Same with this one. And then you can change all the prices and click Save. So that's how you will change your product.